Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to drop and your body to relax. As you continue to breathe naturally, bring your attention to your physical body. Notice the points of contact between your body and the chair or floor. Feel the support beneath you. Acknowledge any sensations. Warmth, coolness, tension, or ease, without judgment. Simply observe. Now turn your awareness to your thoughts. Don't try to stop them or force them away. Instead, imagine your thoughts are like clouds passing in the sky. Some may be dark, others light. Notice them as they drift by. Acknowledge each thought. There is a thought about my to-do list. Or there is a thought about a past conversation. The key is to see them for what they are, mental events, not absolute truths. You are the observer, not the thought itself. As you observe your thoughts, see if you can identify any negative patterns. Are you catastrophizing? Assuming the worst will happen? Are you all or nothing thinking? Seeing things in black and white? Maybe you're mind reading, believing you know what someone else is thinking. Silently or in your mind, label any of these patterns you notice. This is a catastrophic thought. Or, I am all or nothing thinking right now. Simply naming the distortion helps to create distance and reduce its power over you. Now, let's gently challenge one of those negative thoughts. choose a recent one that you've labeled. Ask yourself, is this thought 100% true? What is the evidence for this thought? And what is the evidence against it? For example, if the thought is, I'm a failure, ask yourself, what evidence do I have that I am not a failure? What small successes have I had today? Consider an alternative, more balanced thought. For example, instead of, I'm a failure, a more balanced thought might be, I'm facing a challenge right now, but I have the ability to learn and grow from it. Gently replace the negative thought with this more realistic and compassionate reframe. As you come to the end of this practice, bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Remember that your thoughts are not commands. You have the power to observe them, label them, and choose to reframe them. With each breath, carry this awareness with you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch and bring your full attention back to the present moment.